Welcome back. Now, one of the things you can do with AI is you can summarize videos, specifically YouTube videos, and you're looking at ChatGPT Plus. And what we have done is we have entered a YouTube link into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will tell you that it cannot access or summarize YouTube links directly. Now, there are a few ways for you to be able to handle this. One way first is to look for a specific GPT. You can click on Explore GPTs. You can then type in YouTube summary. And even before we type in the keyword, you'll notice that there is a GPT called Video Summarizer. Now, this may not be the case when you are using ChatGPT. This is at the time of the recording of this video. So we're going to click into this GPT. What we are then going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to summarize this specific video. We will then click enter, and ChatGPT will then be given access to this video. What we will then do is we will then click allow so that this GPT can then access the video. Now, in some cases, GPTs can be tenuous, and if that's the case, you can try another method. What you can do is go to ChatGPT. You can then go to the plugins area. You can then look for a specific plugin. If you go to the plugin store and then you type in YouTube, you will see elements where you can have a YouTube summarizer. We can then go to the dialog box and we can ask for a summary of our video. We will then click enter. ChatGPT will interact with the plugin and then provide us with a brief summary that was given to us through the GPT. We may want to iterate with the chatbot. And so we will then iterate with the chatbot and we will ask for different information. Now, what you'll notice is that there's a difference between some of the summary information, so you'll need to choose the most effective method that you can find in order to get the information that you want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.